Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today I'm going to show you 3 different bathrooms in the construction of our dream house. One of which was my son Braden's, another of which was my daughter Madison's, and the final bathroom was our guest bathroom. So let me show you how they came together. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do for the shower is we're gonna install this shower pan from Delta. And the first thing I wanted to do was go ahead and cut out the bottom of the drywall. I don't know how tall up I'm gonna go yet, but I wanted to set this pan, make sure that whatever additional studs, if we need to sister anything back here, which I already know we kinda need to, it looks like we're gonna need another stud right here to carry the front. So I'm gonna cut this, I've cut this out. Now I'm gonna set this pan in place and kind of just basically dry set everything and see what we need. Okay, so it looks like we've got our drain location in the right spot. When it was plumbed, when they did the rough plumbing, they set it and we didn't have this pan on site, so we need about 1.5 inches out back here. So I'll simply just take a 2x4 and then sister it to that back wall, and then we can screw to that. And now I've got these the panels that are going to go on the walls. I'm going to set that in place and figure out the height that I need to cut the drywall back to, and then I'll just go ahead and cut that all the way around, take that drywall off, and then we'll be able to set those panels in. Okay, so now that we have all the drywall cut out, I can see that right here we don't have there's no stud there to carry the drywall or to carry the insert that we're going to be putting where the drywall went. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a cross brace that's going to go horizontally across the top here, and then I'm going to cut another stud. I'm going to turn it sideways so that it'll carry both the drywall and the insert that we're going to put in. Okay, so we've got our 1x3s installed on the back studs, and we went ahead and set this in place to fit check it and make sure that everything was cut out just right. Everything looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and apply DAP 3.0 high performance sealant to those 1x3s, as well as some double face tape to hold it temporarily while the sealant sets up. All right, so we've got all the panels installed. We screwed them to the studs and adhered them to the 1x4s that we put in that place. Jamie went ahead and cleaned everything up. We've got the edges of this taped up, and now we're gonna adhere our tile to this channel. We've got a decorative tile row that are going in these channels, and we're gonna actually adhere it, rather than using traditional thin set, we're gonna adhere it with the DAP 3.0 high performance sealant, and that is because the thin set is not gonna stick to this acrylic liner. So Jamie's gonna go ahead and put on the DAP 3.0 onto that channel really heavy, and then we'll come back with a V-notch trowel like this because we have a smaller mosaic pattern, and then we'll trowel it to get nice even coverage, and then we'll adhere all the tiles in place and cut them down to length as we need. So after the Dietra had time to set up, we came back and laid all the tile in each of the bathrooms. And then once that had time to set up, we came back and grouted all of the joints. With the floors done, then we can go ahead and set the vanities. After the vanities got set, luckily we had our plumber on hand, so he went ahead and hooked up all the faucets, set the toilets, as well as the shower and the tub fixtures. So in Braden's bathroom, we decided to install a Delta shower door. It went up really easy, and the frosted glass on that door gives him a little bit of privacy from that window that overlooks the deck. In the guest bathroom, we went with a clear shower door that's over a tub. So the shower door itself is a little bit shorter. However, it installed just the same, nice and easy, went up quick, and it looks great. With all the big stuff done, now it was time to finalize these bathrooms with just some towel hooks, some towel bars, as well as toilet paper holders, lighting, mirrors, and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun seeing all of these bathrooms come together, and we love how they turned out. I want to give a big thank you to Home Depot, DAP Products, and Delta for sponsoring this video. If you want to find out more about any of the products that we used in this video, make sure you check out the full blog post for all of the details, and that's going to be on the Home Depot blog. I'll make sure to link up below if this is on YouTube and above if it's on Facebook. So thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, be safe and happy building.